Have you ever wanted to earn money or gift cards while playing games? It's time to get lucky and get the money you deserve for playing. Now you can with a free new app. Just watch full video, download the app, and get started. First, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now let's start. I've got a new way for you to earn money while you play your favorite games. Earn money or even gift cards just by playing, no matter what your age or location. Just join Cash Giraffe now and start earning today. Cash Giraffe is a get paid to GPT app that will reward you for playing featured mobile games. It is only available for Android devices. To register, download and install the app. You may then pick how to log in when you first start the program. You may use your Google or Facebook account or your own login information. Cash Giraffe has a variety of games you can play to win money. Logging into the app will reveal all available mobile games for you to play and earn money while doing something you already enjoy doing. To begin playing, just choose a button from the list of available games. After that, you'll be sent to the Android app's official website. A simple download and setup procedure is all that is required. Once you've completed those steps, you'll find the game under Cash Giraffe's My Apps area. As a result, Cash Giraffe will be able to keep tabs on how much time you've spent with the app. To explain, when playing a featured game, Cash Giraffe will provide you with a particular quantity of gems every minute. It's true that you may earn gems by playing the featured games, but much like other apps that provide a similar service, the longer you play, the less you'll earn. It is in the app's financial interest for you to experiment with various games, thus this mechanism is set up to encourage that. They earn money when individuals they refer to play a variety of mobile games. If you're trying to maximize your earnings potential, you should cease playing a featured game as soon as you begin to earn a negligible number of gems. Another way to earn from Cash Giraffe is by completing simple tasks to earn rewards. Usually, these tasks will ask you to answer surveys or use other mobile apps. After you complete a task, you will receive a certain number of gems that will be credited to your Cash Giraffe account. Then you can convert your gems to cash via PayPal. You can also redeem your gems with a gift card. The threshold only is around 20 to 50 cents, which is actually a very low threshold, so you won't have to wait that long to redeem a reward. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.